Hello everyone, this is Sheshe. Today I'm coming on to share with you what's inside the Heartfelt Creations mini Flipfold album. It's a really beautiful album and it's the Blazing Poppy theme album. So here's what's inside. You get everything you need to complete this waterfall album. So this is what it looks like. It opens up like this, so you'll get some magnets to close it. So it flips open like that, and you'll get some pieces to create the waterfall on the inside. So really nice and sturdy. You'll get some layering pieces like this to go on the top, and then you get this beautiful Regals border. So I really love that. It's really pretty. I do own this die, so I love how gorgeous it is. And then this goes on the inside, so this is covered. So you get one on the top, one on the bottom, and then this goes on there. Okay, you get some frills. You do get some extra pieces if you need them. So here's the frills and the glitter. And then you get some pieces to create a blazing poppy to decorate the front. So here's the flower and some leaves that you will color. So there's what it looks like. Get some magnets to help it close. So there's 2 magnets inside. Here's some extra pieces if you want to create an additional flower. So here's the label. You get an inking mat. You want to glue something. And then here is the pieces for the inside that's perfectly layered for your waterfall. So there's 4 sheets that you will put on the inside to create the waterfall. Then I'll share with you the papers and what they look like. So here is the back and front, or maybe it goes this way. And here's that one. That's what it looks like on the other side. Okay. Love this pretty paper. That's what it looks like on the other side. So you'll just layer that. And then there's that one. Okay, and then here's some papers that you will need to layer the flaps. So I think it maybe goes this way. There's that one and that one. And then here's some more that's really pretty. Okay, that's that. Then there is these right here for the outside flap. So for the inside and the outside. Then there's these pieces right here. These may be extra for pockets and tags. That's how it looks on the other side. There's that. And this one. Okay, and then you can, I believe, maybe cut these out for your pockets and tags. And tickets. Okay, here's more of that for sentiments and so on. Okay, so that's what's inside this kit. It's a beautiful kit, and hope you will enjoy it. I'll provide the link in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing the kit, but I just thought I'd share with you what's inside. Okay, take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.